Hi, I'm Robin Hoy with PuroClean, and I wanted to give you a couple of tips about hurricane and tropical storm preparedness. Tip number one, make sure you remove all of your cushions and make sure that all of your outdoor furniture is secured in a safe place. Just in case your electricity goes out, just make sure you check all your flashlights and make sure they actually work and that you have good batteries in them. Tip number three is to always fill up clean water bottles and put them in the freezer. Not only will it keep your items cold, but it will also, in case you run out of water, you'll have fresh water to drink. Make sure that your sump pump is in working order. If you have no electricity, we actually have a sump pump that's based on water pressure, so if the electricity isn't working, our backup sump pump is based on water pressure and it'll be fine. And of course, you always want to cuddle your animals during a thunderstorm.